The role-playing game for software engineers is a 3D multiplayer online software engineering process game. It aims to teach students the principles of software engineering by simulating the development of a software project. The game consists of 6 cubicles which simulate a traditional software engineer's working environment. At most, 6 players can play together to form one team. In this game, the player will serve as a software engineer and collaborate with other players to develop a software system. Different software engineers may have different experience with each task, which can be known by touching the cubicle. The player joins the game by sitting on the chair in a cubicle. The goal of the game is to release the software to the customer as complete as possible and with as few errors as possible. After the release, the game will end by giving a team score between 0 and 100. To play the game, a player touches an icon on the monitor. The timer starts at 300 and counts down to 0. When a player chooses a task beginning with the word creating, the artifact progress bar will increase. When a player chooses a task beginning with reviewing, inspecting, or testing, the number of artifact errors will increase, showing that more errors in the current artifact have been found. When a player chooses a task beginning with correcting, the number in the artifact errors will decrease, showing that more errors in the current artifact have been corrected. The rest state icon will switch between rest and work states. An energy pie chart represents the player's energy level. While working, energy decreases every second until gone, during which state the player contributes nothing to the project. A rest can be taken to recover energy. When a player chooses the integrating code task, the integration progress bar will increase. The player can also know the status of other players through the status board above the monitor. Each row in the status board represents a player's status and his current work. The player can touch the timer icon to end the game. After doing so, the team will receive a score. To get a good result, the player has to choose a task according to his or her role's ability and follow the software developing process rules, for example, design before coding.